Hello guys, we are going to show you how to replace the Purge valve for a Chevy Sonic 2012. We went to the dealer and actually the dealer wants to charge us $245, so my husband decided to do by himself. He went to the Chevy dealer, grabbed actually bought a part. How much was it?
It cost $45.
$45, here's the part. So that's what we got it. Yep. And here is the old one that we are going to replace.
Well, this has a red lock in here, right here. You need to pull it up, and then it has a button here to press and release, and also has another lock in there that we're gonna take it out and show you. Hold on.
Okay, so step one.
Take these holes in here and then
let me go to another side.
Push this down and remove the holes. No tool is needed, and then push this out of this metal bracket in here.
There's the bracket that is holding this Purge valve.
And then is the lock in here that I will try to take it without breaking it.
That's not easy to do.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, hold up. You take this one here.
You're trying to kind of slide down.
Yeah, there you go. Kind of uncomfortable here to work with this. I got one out, but okay, take it this way, and you will put it back. So you separate it. And you will find this has a lock, and there you open it up.
Let me show this blue lock here.
This blue lock right here.
Yep. You gotta pull out.
Pull it out. You push down. Take this out of there. Can you pass me that?
That's the old one. And here we have the new one.
The new one.
So we're just going from the back. We're going to plug this.
Make sure it's all the way in, and it is all the way in. So push this lock all the way in back, and then you gotta twist this, and then find the another hose that has to be plugged in here, and then trying to slide this same place was another one, and then get another hose, put it back, click in. This is already locked in. This is two. Now this is the part that I have to.
So that's the last part that we have to work on it.
Oh, there you go.
And that's
all the way in. So
it's all the way done.
So it's $200 labor saving. If you don't want to do it with the dealership, they're very pricey. So, and then I pay only $45 for the labor, and took like for the part, and then
you did it yourself.
5 to 10 minutes probably. I don't know.
So good luck, everybody. If any questions, let us know.
Please.